Hello and welcome to this fast activity brought to you by Central Northern Regional Libraries. Today we're going to make your very own mini hologram. It's pretty exciting. We'll talk about how it works in a minute, but first this is what you'll need. You're going to need some clear plastic. Clear thin plastic is best. Binding, you can use the plastic from those binders. You can use takeaway containers, like packages from fruit and vegetables, like tomatoes or strawberries. Also packages from other products. The thinner plastic is easier to cut. You can use old CD cases, but that can be quite dangerous and difficult to cut. You also need the printout, which is available in the description. A marking pen, ruler, scissors, some clear tape to stick it together, and also some sort of iPad or tablet or phone. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I've got my gear ready. I've got the printouts, and I'm going to use these, this binding cover. Okay, that should be nice and easy. All right, I'm going to pick my size now. The smaller size is for phones, and the bigger size is for like a tablet or an iPad. So what you can do, you put that here, and I'm going to measure. I'm going to use one of the sides there. So I'm going to use my ruler and draw around there. Now, if you don't have a printer, so you haven't got the printouts, I'll put the measurements on the screen now. You can use those. Also, if you've got a small bit of plastic, you can cut these little shapes out individually and you can stick them together later. Okay. Okay, that's it. We don't need to mark the dotted lines because that's going to be where we fold. Let's cut it out. All right, let's put it together. So we're going to fold along where those dotted lines were. And it's just from the corner to corner here. So, there you go. Right, now we're just going to put one bit of tape. Now if you've cut them in individual bits, you're going to have to put more tape, but I only need one bit just along here. Made my tape a bit long. Right, and there we go. Let's give it a try. All right, so you want to set up your video. So the link is in the description, and it basically plays 4 little animations, and then you place your little hologram maker right there, and now you have to find a dark place and you need to look at it from below or level with the phone. Let's check it out. The hologram works by 4 versions of the object being reflected by the sloping sides of the truncated pyramid. And as you can see, each side acts as a partially transparent mirror. That means the image appears inside, and you can see it from different angles when you go from different sides. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time for another fast activity. Bye.
What we're making is Rainbow Wizard's Brew. So what we're going to need is some glitter. We need some dishwashing liquid, some vinegar, some glasses, or you can use plastic containers if you need to, bicarb soda, some food colouring, a spoon and a tray.